video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your password visible in Kali. Not really visible, but for you to see what you're typing. So this is what I mean. So if I have something like this, you can see that you can see the asterisk, right? So instead of this way where it is just invisible, right? And I'm going to show you the commands to really get this working. So all you just need to do is say sudo v sudo. This command is all you need to type, and then when you press enter, it will bring you here, and you just need to use your arrow, your down arrow key, come to here. So I've already inserted the function, which is this guy here. So all you just need to do is come to this place using your arrow key as I've shown you, enter, and then you type default as this, and then you click on your tab and you say pw feedback, which means password feedback. So you need password feedback. So the moment you have done this, all you just need to do is to press Ctrl O and enter, and then you've saved that. You've saved that. All you just need to do is to exit, and you say Ctrl X, and you go out of that option. And the moment you do that, all you just need to do is to restart your terminal, to restart your machine rather, and you just give it time to load up and also save that particular command that you've instructed it to do. So I'm just going to wait for this to come up, and we're going to see if we have our password showing in asterisk. So I'm going to put in my password. And bring in my terminal up. Then when I do sudo password, and then you can see that you have this showing, right? So if this helps you, please, I would like that you subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos like this and also help others to reach videos like this. You can leave a like and also comment on my videos for more videos that you'd like to see. Thank you, and God bless you.